Hello, it's Julie here and welcome to my channel. I wanted to make this video to show you how I package all my items that I sell on my Etsy shop. If you would like to see what kind of things I sell, then I can link my shop down in the description box below. This video will be very helpful for those of you who work from home and want to know how to package things nicely, just so that the customer, when they receive the product, they are really happy and feel like they've received a present, and they will give you a really good feedback in the end. I do get a lot of compliments from the customer saying that they're really happy with how the things were packaged, and usually they do give me a 5-star rating, so it is definitely worth the time and effort. Please show my channel some love by hitting the like button down below and subscribe to see more of these videos in the future. So are you ready? Okay, let's go. Right, I'm going to start off by packaging these greeting cards that I made. And make sure they sit right here. I always like to use tissue paper because it's nice and colourful. And I'm just going to fold it over, and not to forget, obviously, leave one of your leaflets with your social media and just basically to say thank you to the customer. Got a sticker, put a sticker right here, and I'm going to turn it over. And that's the first one done. So then I'm going to use a cardboard box to package it up so that it doesn't get ruined through posting it. I'm just going to fold up this box right here. It's always good to use packaging that's just right for the actual item, because obviously everything weighs when you put it all together. Okay, see that box right there? So if I just put it there, it will slide. So what I'm going to do is add some foam. Just add it in. So that way when I close it, it won't slide all over the place. Okay. And then I like to use sellotape to just secure it. So that's the first one done, and then obviously you write the address there, and then I would stick my return label here. And yeah, so this is how I send my greeting cards for the customer. So next one, I'm going to do these banners that I made. They are graduation banners. Let me just show you quickly what they look like. So it says congrats, and that's the name, Nads. So I'm just going to package this up now. I like to put each banner into a plastic sleeve just to protect it from getting all tangled up, and they stay nicely folded. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, so that's 2. Now I'm going to wrap it up with some tissue paper just to make it look nice for the customer when they open it. So this is how I'll do it. And then I add my leaflet again. Kind of very similar to the way I packaged the greeting cards. So there. I'm going to add my Jtru design sticker. Turn it behind. I don't know about you, but I quite enjoy packaging things. Quite therapeutic. I don't know if I'm the only person, but yeah, it's just like I'm in my own zone. And generally I quite like folding things anyway. Don't know if anyone else likes doing stuff like that. And then I'll use a kind of like an A4 envelope. Okay, and then obviously address, return label, and that one is done. Right, next one, I'm going to wrap this snowball ball. It's actually a GIF, so very pretty. Elijah. So I like to use a gift box, and I've already put some tissue paper in there. And I just pop this in there. Fold it up, and because this is a gift, I'm not going to add a leaflet in there. I'm just going to go straight into a packaging box. Just leave that there right now. Okay, and this, obviously, before I put it in there, I'm going to wrap it with some foam just to protect it from moving about. Wrap this up. Same for the other side. Okay, that one's done, and I also wanted to add something in there. Wrap up this little reindeer, which is also for my friend's son. Don't know if you can see it. It's very pretty. Just gonna wrap this up right now so I can put it all in this box and get it sent off. Okay, that one's done. Put this in here, along with this extra gift. Pop that in there. I'm going to go around twice, just so that it's more secure like that. Okay, once that's done, add the address and a return label again. Next, I'm going to package these cake toppers. There's 12 of them. It says good luck. Just like that. Label. I like to be a little bit extra and put it in a sweet bag, along with another leaflet. Thank you sticker right here. And this time I'm going to use a smaller hardback envelope, and obviously address and return label again, and this one is done. Right, next one is a fairy light jar that says Grandad on it. It's so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Tissue paper again. This time I've folded it down a little bit more, so it makes it easier for me to wrap it all up. See that? Hope you can see this. I'm just going to fold it down and then just carefully fold it all the way around. I know that when you try and wrap round things, it can be a bit tricky at times. Okay. Same again for the other side. Okay, so I'm going to pop my Jtru design sticker on there, and that one is done. I add some peanut foam in there. Even though sometimes you put fragile tape on the box, you get some couriers that will still handle it with not much care. So it's always good to wrap it up properly so that it gets delivered to the customer in one piece. So that one is done. Right, next I'm going to wrap up some mugs. Got this one here that I made, so I'm just gonna use some tissue paper again. Excuse the background noise, that's my cat walking around. He just can't stay still. Right, I'm just gonna push that in to the mug. See that? Now I'm going to work on the bottom part. Okay. And what I tend to do is I have these care instructions I like to add on the mug, just how to take care of these handmade mugs. They're not dishwasher friendly, and yeah, just so that the customer is aware of how to look after this mug. And then what I'm going to do is wrap this up with some foam wrap. I've got another one to go out for the same customer, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, I'm just going to use this box, add some peanut foam in there. Make sure it's well protected. A leaflet. Add the address and the return label again, and that is all for today. I just thought it's quite useful for anyone who's working at home that does something similar to what I do, and you know, just an idea of how to package my things. I think that would be very helpful to some of you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me in the future, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.